Alright, so, oops. Okay, let me start off real quick. Alright. Okay, so boom. I'm gonna put on some lashes. I don't do it often, but I don't know, I was just in the mood. I was in the mood. And mind you, I've already been outside, I've been to church. This makeup is from before church. But like I said, I'm in the mood, okay? I'm in the mood, and so I'm gonna do it, okay? And that's what we're gonna do. This naked mole rat look, not working for me. So we're gonna be using a couple things. I am using some cluster lashes from several places. One being the Dollar Tree. Okay, the packet I'm opening right now is from the Dollar Tree. And I'm also going to be using some cluster lashes that I got from the beauty supply store, like your local beauty supply store chain, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And so boom. So these are from the Dollar Tree. Sure is. And I'm using this bonding and seal situation. I also got this from the beauty supply. I'm pretty sure it was like $9.99. Gonna apply the bond part to my natural lashes. It is essentially lash glue. Yeah, we gonna put that on. And we gonna put it on thick because we want these lashes to stick. Amen and amen. We gonna get every single little crevice, every nook, every cranny, because I want these lashes to stay on probably to the end of the week, honestly. I'll probably give them, if I don't give them I'm gonna give them at least 4 days, but I'm going for until next Sunday or next Saturday night, something like that. They need to be on though, and they need to not move. Today I'm gonna start with these lashes. This is actually a lash pack from the beauty supply store. Pretty sure they're all long. Maybe it's a variety pack of long and medium. But I actually shouldn't have started with this pack. I'm gonna just say that. I shouldn't have started with this pack. What you don't see me here doing is I'm picking up the lash and I'm also dipping it in a different type of lash glue. So I have lash glue on my natural lashes, but I'm also dipping the band of the cluster lash in a lash glue. That's what I'm doing right now before I put it on my eye. And we just gonna, you know what? You can't even see me, G. That's crazy. My bad. I'm sorry, y'all. But I stuck it on. You see it. It's right there. Let me scoot on back. Okay, now you can see. You see what I'm doing. I'm putting it on the lash. I am not putting it on my skin. Okay. It want to act funny. It want to act goofy. We gonna try again. Okay. We gonna stick it on there just like that. You feel me? Okay, all right. No, nope, all right. We gonna try again, okay? I don't do this. I ain't never got my lashes professionally done. I just watched one TikTok and decided I was gonna do it myself. All right, so forgive me if I'm not perfect. All right, boom, there it go. There it go. I'm pushing it in. You can't really see me doing it. Yeah, I'm pushing it in like that. You know what I'm saying? Making sure them glues stick together like they supposed to. And we just gonna keep doing that over and over again with different sizes. I'm using a long length with the beauty supply store ones, but I'm actually about to switch to the long length Dollar Tree. And I didn't realize that the Dollar Tree ones are longer than the beauty supply store ones in the same child. It just say long. I don't know how many millimeters. I don't know nothing about that. Okay, I don't know. I just be sticking them on there how I want to stick them on there. My bad. I lied. It's actually the medium length. The medium length from Dollar Tree ended up being longer than the long length from the beauty supply store, which don't make no sense to me, but warning, the mediums at Dollar Tree are super long. But it depends on what your definition of long is. I am not a snuffleupagus lash wearer. I am a fake dramatic. Could have been natural, but clearly not. I'm switching now from the Dollar Tree lashes to a different Beauty Supply Lash. Pretty sure it's like by Kiss or somebody like that. I don't really remember. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. And I'm using some lash tweezers that came with my first lash set that definitely was by Kiss. The Falscara. That was how I started. Yeah. We just gonna throw these on any old kind of way. We putting on mediums right now, but they're medium, wispy, full. So they're a little bit of a longer cluster. Like the band is longer than the ones I was putting on before, because who's sitting up here trying to put on 47 little pieces of lash? Not me. Anybody got time for that? So we gonna put that on like that, and we gonna tuck it on in there. And y'all see how that's like thicker right there? I like for the middle to be a little more dense and my ends to be a little more light. I don't know. It's gonna look good in the end. That's all you need to know. Alright, now we're about to get into the short ones. The short ones are from Dollar Tree. The short ones are from Dollar Tree as well. And they're a good short length. I would, for my personal likings, I would probably consider them a little bit medium, but at the same time, like, I get how it's short. I'm still trying to figure out how to apply cluster lashes without them clumping together. That's like the one irritating thing. Like, you can see it. It's like a gap in between the medium lash and a short lash that I just put on. And I'm gonna fill that gap by layering a short lash on top of the existing short lash. I don't know what I be doing wrong. I think it's just the way my natural lashes are clumped together because of that glue. And now I'm trying to like put lashes on top of lashes, and my lashes are joining with the fake lashes, and it's creating this like this weird separation. Whatever. We gonna fix it though. But you see, I'm pushing that lash on in, all the way across. I'm trying to get them lashes to go together. I'm trying to get them to be boyfriend and girlfriend. So we gotta push them on together like that. And then I'm gonna try to like separate the lashes with my tweezer a little bit. But it ain't gonna really do what I want it to do. So, like, y'all see what I'm talking about? Like, it looked like it's something missing. So I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna put this little short lash on top of, okay, when I get the act right. When I get it to act right, I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it in between them two lashes. And it's gonna kind of fill in that gap a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see where I'm putting it? Y'all see where that gap was? And now it's just gonna be like a little bit filled in. Yes, I just put that lash on crooked, but I'm gonna fix it though. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna press it in. And I'm gonna fill in that gap a little bit. Like, it's gonna look like it need to look, okay? Alright, so y'all see what them lashes look like and what my face look like. Okay? We did something right there. Like, it makes sense. Now I'm gonna take the seal side of this lash glue thingy. It's meant to, I guess, dry up the glue. Because every time I blink my eyes, a little bit of glue get on my lower lash line and it be all sticky and stuff. Well, this stop that from happening, and it seals the glue in, make sure them natural lashes is stuck to them fake lashes. I take it off with coconut oil. I take these lashes off with coconut oil when it's time to take them off. I don't reuse my lashes, even though lashes are really reusable. I don't. I be throwing them in the garbage because I don't be wanting to clean them. I don't got time for that. And $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, I can go buy some more. It'll be alright. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put that lash seal on the bottom of my lashes as well as on the top, like behind my natural lashes, because it's glue back there too. And who got time for your lashes to be stuck to your eyelid? Not me. Now, I'm also trying to figure out this white cast situation. Like, obviously, it's droplets of the seal that is left. And it dry up pretty decent, I guess. It don't look too bad when it dry up. I don't know. Like, I'm still figuring this thing out. Alright? But it looked good to me for what I needed to do. Okay, I'm gonna take my little spoolie thing and I'm gonna, dry up some of that seal, kind of distribute it well, separate the lashes a little more if I can, so they don't look all clumped together, look like a mess or nothing like that. And boom, like that's all there is to it. One side of my face, done. Alright now, alright, we got that one eye done, okay? Your girl is kind of cute. Let's see what we gonna do when we done, alright? I'm not gonna lie to you. I might have did something right there. Like, for something that was free to me as far as services was concerned, and that I spent maybe $30 on total for supplies, but I'm gonna be able to do over and over again for 6 months. I think I did all right. Like, I ain't no beauty guru. I ain't never claimed to be no beauty guru. I ain't even trying to be no beauty guru. I be fake ugly most of the time. Like, I don't never do my hair. I don't never put on no makeup, even though I got a lot of it. I do my nails somewhat regularly, but that's about it. Like, I don't be doing too much. But that's all I got for you. You understand what I'm saying? See you. Bye.